This is gonna blow your mind. Over $5.6 billion was stolen from crypto investors last year, a staggering amount that has left many in shock. And the scams are getting worse, evolving with new tactics every day. If you're in crypto, you are a target. No one is safe from these sophisticated schemes. Here are the top 5 scams of 2025 that you need to watch out for, and how to survive them. Stay tuned to protect your investments. Welcome to Crypto Chaser, where we help you profit and protect your bag in the wild world of crypto. Stay informed with our expert tips and strategies. Smash that like button and follow us on TikTok for quick scam alerts and the latest updates. AI trading bot scams. They promise 10% daily returns and vanish with your wallet. These scams often lure victims with sophisticated websites and fake testimonials. Red flags include guaranteed profits, lack of transparency, and pressure to invest quickly. In 2025, several high-profile cases saw investors lose millions. Always conduct thorough research and use reputable platforms. Real trading involves risk. Fake token airdrops. Scammers create fake tokens and lure victims with promises of free tokens. They set up convincing websites and send out notifications to trick you. Always verify airdrops through official channels and use a burner wallet to protect your funds. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Deepfake technology has advanced to the point where it can create incredibly convincing fake endorsements. Imagine seeing Elon Musk live promoting a new coin, only to find out it wasn't him at all. High-profile cases have included manipulated videos of celebrities like Elon Musk and even actors like Tom Hanks. To protect yourself, always double-check endorsements on official channels. Look for blue check marks and cross-reference with multiple sources. Deepfakes are everywhere in 2025, so stay vigilant. Scammers create fake Telegram and Discord groups, impersonating admins to steal funds. They lure victims with enticing offers and urgent messages. Admin DM'd me with a pre-sale offer. 2 minutes later, wallet drained. Admins never DM first. Verify official links and group announcements. Look for inconsistencies in usernames and group member counts. Always double-check with official sources before taking any action. Pump and dump schemes are a common scam in the crypto world. Scammers buy large amounts of a low-value coin, then use social media and forums to hype it up. As the price rises, more people buy in, fearing they'll miss out. Once the price peaks, the scammers sell off their holdings, causing the coin to crash. To protect yourself, always research the utility and technology behind a coin. Look for real-world applications and strong development teams. Follow the tech, not the hype. Use cold wallets for big holdings. Enable two-factor authentication always. Double-check every URL. Scammers love fake sites. Have you been scammed before? Share your experience with us. Share your story below to warn others. Your voice can make a difference. Smash that like and subscribe for weekly scam alerts. Stay informed and stay safe. And follow us on TikTok for daily crypto hacks and tips. Stay safe, stay ahead with Crypto Chaser, your trusted source for crypto security.